everyone, I've got a best bits for you today taken from the Our Rosa Celeste East-West bag video. I am going to be showing you how to install purse feet. I have my marks placed from the pattern. I am using screw-in purse feet. So I'm going to punch those holes and then install those purse feet. I like to secure my screws using a very small amount of Loctite, being careful not to get any on my material as the red Loctite does tend to wick through your material. I also like to put a small piece of Decaville Heavy or similar type of stabilizer between my screw and the base of my bag just to reduce the chance of the screw pulling through my material. Place the stabilizer over the screw. I'm not going to fuse it, so it doesn't matter which way it goes. Poke it through the hole. And then I will screw it on partially by hand first. Tighten it down. And then cover that with some duct tape, being careful not to get any of the tape within my seam allowance. And then I'll repeat that for the other 3 feet. I'll link the full video in the description. Hope that helps. Thanks, everyone.